Welcome to Beginner Crochet with Claudia. Let's crochet a rose. I'm using a number 4 hook and number 3 yarn. It's a lightweight yarn. You can use any yarn as long as you use the recommended hook. So right now I'm making the rose, and I've sped up the video so you could see the whole process before you start. It's made with a row of 24 chain stitches, double crochets, and single crochets. And that's it. After you see the rows completed, I'm going to go through the instructions with you step by step. Start by making a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop and make a chain of 24 stitches. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Continue until you have a chain of 24 stitches. you're going to skip 3 chain spaces and insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that gives you 2 double crochets. You're going to make another double crochet in the same space. And you're going to skip 1 chain and put 3 double crochets in that same chain space. The pattern here is skip 1 chain space and then put 3 double crochets in the next chain space. So you're going to skip 1, and in the second space you're going to make 3 double crochets. Skip the next chain, and 3 double crochets in that space. Continue this way until you get to the end of the row. Chain 3 and turn your work. You should have 10 clusters of 3 crochets across the row. Chain 3 and turn your work. You're going to put a double crochet into the same corner space where you have the 3 chains. So it's yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you're going to put 1 double crochet in the next space, two double crochets in the next space, one double crochet in the next space, and a single crochet in the space between 2 clusters in the row below, in the previous row. Chain 3. Double crochet in the first stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, one double crochet in the next stitch, and then a single crochet in the space made in the previous row. Chain 3. One double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next space, one double crochet, and a single crochet. Chain 3, Okay, you're coming up to the end of the row, chain 3, double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, single crochet in the space created by the previous row, chain 3, one double crochet, two double crochets in the next stitch, and one double crochet in the last stitch. You can cut the end of the yarn and make a slip knot. Put your hook in the loop and pull through. You can cut one end, but leave one end with a little tail so you can secure the rose when it's done. Now what I found, when I turn the rose upside down and gently fold the piece onto itself, when I turn it over, it's just a perfect rose shape. You can adjust it a little bit if you want to. And then take your darning needle and you can just weave that tail in a little bit to join the end to the rest of the rose. If you don't have a needle, you can also use your crochet hook. It can work just about the same way. I hope you enjoyed crocheting this rose. Please check out the other videos in my playlist. Until next time.